Any comments you want to make about it while you're flying it?
No, just it's a lot of fun. Still my favorite plane. Flight number 256.
256, wow.
Over 42 hours of flying so far.
That's a lot of stick time, Steve.
Yeah.
I don't think I have anything with more than about 50 flights on it.
Yeah.
But I bring out different planes each trip, you know.
Yeah.
This seems to be your go-to plane on every time you come out.
Yeah. That was nice. I tried to bring the other ones out, but it's just not as much fun.
Yeah, let's get you standing next to it when you come in this time.
Huh?
Let's get you standing next to it when you come in on this one. Unless you don't want to be on the film.
I'm not wanted by the FBI anymore.
You served your time? Or did you get your name changed? It had to have been a name change. Steve Rogers, Captain America.
Yeah, they got it settled.
Settled out of court. People are going to see this and think we're serious. Which is a good thing, because we are.
Holy. Need a little headwind.
All right, there he is. Steve Rogers, a.k.a. Captain America, flying the Lazy Ace. Was that you beeping or mine?
It's my 10-minute warning there.
Ah.
Okay.
Get one more landing on it.
Yeah.
Super smooth.
I tried.
What do they say? Butterfly with sore feet?
Mosquito.
Well, I think that's bigger than a mosquito.
Yeah, that's probably true.
All right, let's take a quick look at the plane itself. Man, that's so big, I got to back up a little bit to get it all to fit in the viewfinder.
Yeah.
What's the wingspan? 90?
6 foot.
That's it? 72?
Yep.
Huh. I got a Pulse 60 that's 70 inches, and it looks a lot smaller than this. Maybe it's because you got 2 wings.
Yeah.
So it just gives it a look a bit big. What's the engine? DLE what? 40?
40. I love that engine.
Twin cylinder. You think you got enough power on it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Let's take a look
More
at
than
these
enough.
mounts. And what glue did you find to use for this Coroplast?
Slow CA.
Flow CA.
But it takes about 4 or 5 days to actually dry on Coroplast.
Oh, really? You got to prime the Coroplast with anything? Buff it or prime it with anything?
Flash it with
Acetone? Oh, a flame.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oil on.
All right, thanks, Steve.
Okay.